Hello everyone. This question is related with the structural geology and it is very interesting and very important question. And this type of questions are generally asked in at JRF as well as in GATE. And these type of questions are also came in other exams too. Okay. If we have a basic concept of structural geology, we can easily answer. And in this question, which one of the following predict the correct tectonic setting develop for development of flowering structure and negative flowering structure? If we know that we have a convergent tectonic, we have a divergent tectonic, and we have strike slip where no plate is created. But all the strike slip faults are not running in a straight line. Okay, there may be some curvy path. Okay, now look at this picture, and this one is our strike slip fault. Okay, and these are the forces that we are applying, and here the material is converging because material is pushing like this, but in this case it is moving away from each other. Okay, if material is moving away from each other, okay, then there is a formation of depression, and if the material is moving toward each other, then it's a formation of bulging of the material upward. Okay, like in one condition is representing the local subduction zone, there is a formation of small basins along the strike slip faults, and there is a formation of small mountain peaks also due to compressions. Okay, okay, and it is related with this. If compression took place, there is a small scale thrusting, a reverse fault took place. Okay, like the things are happening in the subduction zone in a larger scale, the same things are happening in a smaller scale in this type of setup also. Okay, and here extension took place. It is related with the mid-oceanic ridge extension, but the same things are happening in a small scale along the strike slip fault also. Okay, here the formation of depression, and it is related with this. This one is our negative flower and this one is our positive flower. In positive flower, due to the reverse fault, they are bulging up, and in the negative flower, they are due to normal fault, they are moving. Okay, away from each other, and there is a formation of depression and small basins. What kind of basins what kind of basins that are developed along the strike slip fault? You just mention me in the comment box. Okay, if you have some idea about the strike slip, and if you don't have any idea, you just mention in the comment box. I will make a video for you related to the all the three tectonic setup and in a detail. Now coming back to our question again. Okay, now uh, this one is our negative lower structure and this one is our positive lower structure. Okay, now going back to our option, now which one is the right option we have to choose? Now coming back to our option, positive lower structures, compressional. Here 2-3 words are written: compressional, extensional, transpirational, and transtensional. Okay, uh, it is related with the strike slip fault, no? Transform fault. So we use the word trans first. Okay, and then pirational. This is used for where the compression took place. Instead of using compressional, we use the word transpirational. Okay, and where the extension or tension took place, we use the word transtensional, not extensional like this. Okay, now going back to the options, our option first is wrong. Okay, Uh, Now, positive flower structures are formed in which region? Transpirational. This one is transtensional. Okay. Now, this option is also wrong. This option is right. Okay. Positive flower structures transpirational, and negative flower structure. This is a negative flower structure, and it is developing transtensional. Okay. The fourth one is positive structures are transtensional. Okay. This is the little tree related with the flowering structure that are formed along the strike slip faults. Okay, just read it, and I have just mentioned one thing. The flowering positive flowering structures are also called as palm structure. Okay, uh, and the negative flower structures are also called as tulip. Hope you learn something from this question. If you need more detail step by step, you just mention in the comment box. Okay, and like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Hope you learn something. Thank you.